Hello? What kind of problems? No, man, I don't care how many are broken. Just make the shipment. All right, well, look, I gotta go. I'm Tom from the Peak Design Engineering team, and this is definitely my house. The Peak Design wall mount is a strong, simple, beautiful, adhesive-backed phone mount. It allows you to mount your phone to your walls, or in this case, my walls. And when you think about it, there's so many times where it's helpful to have your phone on your wall. Like when you're following a recipe in the kitchen. You gotta stir the water, otherwise it'll burn. Or listening to your favorite podcast while doing chores. Or watching the Warriors play in the shower. Or doing a project in the shop. Or when you're getting ready for a big night out on the town. The Peak Design wall mount can make your daily routines easier and more enjoyable by keeping your phone viewable, accessible, and out of the way. And best of all, it's part of the Peak Design ecosystem. It works with Peak Design phone cases, or any MagSafe compatible phone or case. It's cross-compatible with a whole line of mobile accessories we make, including bikes, cars, motorcycles, strollers, motorsports, photography, and other stuff too. Now let's talk installation and removal. Spoiler alert, it's a breeze. Step 1, find a wall. The Peak Design wall mount adheres to almost any flat, hard, non-textured surface. The 3M E-Series pad is strong and durable, but can be safely removed from many surfaces. Step 2, prep your wall. The best results come from smooth surfaces like tile, metal, and glass. When mounting to these materials, use the provided alcohol wipe to clean the surface, allowing 5 minutes to dry. Skip the alcohol wipe if you're mounting to a porous surface like painted drywall or wood. There's a chance that the porous surface can get damaged or discolored by the adhesive, so please mount with caution. Step 3, attach the mount. Remove the adhesive backing, position the mount, and press down firmly on the mount for 30 seconds. Step 4, wait for 24 hours. The adhesive bond needs a full day for it to reach its maximum strength. Jumping the gun can permanently weaken the adhesion, and you don't want that. To pass the time, you can invite some friends over to your house.
Sick house, bro.
Hello? And that's how you install it. And that's that. If you have any questions, visit our support center, email us at info@peakdesign.com, or visit one of our stores. And again,
hey, what are you doing in my bed? What are you doing in my house?
Excuse me, sir. Tom, we got a serious problem downstairs. I need a plunger, shot vac, or stick of dynamite. I need it now. It's a freak show down there.